Hi, I'm Trisha at Club Scrap. Do you happen to have any weddings coming up this summer? If so, I've got the perfect scrapbooking page kit for you, and it's called Tie the Knot. Let's take a look. The centerpiece of our collection, of course, is our beautiful line of paper, and this time we have these gorgeous prints here, and you can see the black and gold accented flowers. We've got a gentle script in the background, and the beauty of this is that it leaves the main color of the special wedding occasion to the bride. So you can add whatever color you want to accent these gorgeous neutral papers. And then we've also included 3 sheets of this green. It has a linen texture. Same for the gray. And then you have 3 sheets of white. And that's the color you could probably substitute with an accent color that may be dominant at the wedding. And then we have the 3 sheets of black. We also have our 12 by 12 printed cut-aparts. You'll have 2 sheets, and they're filled with more of that accent imagery, page titles, border strips, journaling prompts, everything you need to make quick work of finishing your pages. I love embellishing my pages with ribbon, and we've got some gorgeous selections here. An inch wide double-faced gray satin. We have this 3/8 inch metallic silver, as well as a green taffeta. We've selected other coordinating goodies. Check out these chiffon flowers. You'll have a set of 3. And this gigantic Mr. and Mrs. woodcut. Isn't that cool? And you'll also receive a yard of these beautiful embroidered lace leaves. It's a great thing to have someone pull together all these coordinating items for you, but what's even better is that Club Scrap provides you with very detailed instructions for assembly. So if you follow along with the detailed trimming instructions and my workshop video, I will show you exactly how to turn that entire collection into beautiful pages. And here they are. You can see how neutral the colors will be. So you bring the color, you bring the beautiful couple. Here I've painted the woodcut with white acrylic paint to kind of make it match the collection, or you can leave it in that natural wood color. I've used a lot of that embroidered lace ribbon on this page, along with one of those cute chiffon flowers. Again, plenty of room for your photos and journaling. The cut apart sheet also includes these cute little tabs that can be added to a row of 3 pictures featuring Mr. and Mrs., the bride, and the groom. And by the time you've reached layouts 7 and 8, you will have used absolutely every sheet of paper and every embellishment that came in the kit. For my card makers out there, we have a few things you can add to your box to turn the page kit into cards. We have a pair of prints you can pick up of a smaller scale that's especially designed for card making, and it's text weight. And then we have 2 more sheets of printed cut-aparts that help you complete both the outside and inside of all of your cards, as well as a workshop video to give you all the tips and techniques to assemble a dozen cards. Now don't forget, Club Scrap has a ton of project downloads that you can watch and transform any of our page kits into other projects, like an album, like this, that you could give to a bride and groom. Either way, let's tie the knot. Pick up your kit and we'll make these pages together.